everybody. This is Angela Moore. Welcome to Dave's World. Today we have a new project. Come and join us. I will to show you. Let's go.
Guess this is the last car of his load. Let's have a look quickly. Alright, so I took my time to remove to see what is the real damage of this Renegade. This is the 2015 Renegade Latitude. So what I did was I basically took off the front bumper and the rebar and all that, so I can see what's damaged inside. So let's go check it out, right? All right. So this is the whole ordeal. Let's start it from here. Right here is the main impact, but if you guys saw earlier, the rebar was pretty damaged. So I took it out. These are the bolts, and so basically major impact was hit right here, and for some reason this is the secondary impact and crushed this area. So like you guys can see, this is the transmission oil cooler. Might be still good. It has a concave little bit curved up, so need to see whether if it's good. I would like to keep using it, because if it's not broken or anything, just to the guy can straighten that out. Because if you can see like this, it's not that kind of a bad bend, it's like a small bend. Hopefully the radiator seems to be good, but the AC condenser is toast. This part is the radiator cover. It's like around $150 or something. And look at this. This is a new hole. You don't have a hood latch here, but you have two hood latches. So I don't know whose idea to, if I was a car design engineer, I would have less material, or less less equipment, less less material as much as I can, because I guess by having two latches you make sure the hood won't fly, but all the regular hoods used one. None of those hoods swing open so far. So, but it does have two hood latches, one here, one there. I think even in the Jeep Cherokee has two latches. I don't know about these Fiat guys. I guess this is not built in America, this is built in Italy. So if you guys are looking for Italian car, look for a Renegade. So I guess if they're using two latches, that means they've been spending some money doing it right? So like I was explaining, this is the radiator cover, radiator support. Right here, everything is fine, but see, there's a bend right here. So I'm probably gonna replace it. And look at this. There's a cover, if you guys can feel it. So, basically it's gonna protect the internal structure of this car, because there's no moisture or anything gonna go inside. Basically protecting the car's frame. So this is pretty well built. I know a lot of people saying like these cars are junk, blah blah blah. They might have mechanical issues. I don't know, I haven't read the whole forum, but I know for a fact the 2.4 has been okay engine, not like a notoriously bad engine. So I don't know about I did not do the research. That's my fault, but seems to be they're really well built, and not cheaply, but kind of expensively, because you have two hood latches. You have the safety cable to open it up, and they have this tiny kind of stuff. So I mean, if it's cheaply made, nobody gonna put this cover there. Maybe they're standard. Who knows? So anyway, the parts we need, obviously we need a hood, the hood latch here, and this hood locker. And see, that's why I like to keep this old part, because you can reuse this the small components. The air intake seems to be good, not broken or nothing. So the structural damage is that apron structure right here. Hopefully my guy can fix it. I don't see, maybe cut it out, buy a new whole piece, so we'll see. Rather than that, so basically we need a fender, a hood, all these hood latch components. That hood latch is good, and these are the bolts for the if you can see right here, that's the headlight mounting bracket. This goes way over here. So if you guys can see here and there was the pretty much got banged up. And for the this buffer, the sealer, it's not even available. I just found on one side that they have it, so I just want to buy it soon. So have that. One of the headlights, this is good, that's gone, and everything in the rebar is bad. So what I need is the bumper and the upper bumper cover, obviously grill, this whole section which is right there. The internal piece is good, the outer one is the one I want. The lower grill, AC condenser, a fender, and the hood component. So I guess that's about it. I mean, maybe I spent like $2,000, hopefully, fingers crossed, on parts, which is a really good deal, I think. So let me come show you the rebar. It's pretty hot out there. So for some reason they gave me this spare wheel. It's a big ass brand new type. See, this is the rebar, so you can see the impact was right here. So imagine the car sits right there, it hit there, look at that, it's ripped all this aluminum. So the funny part is I found all these parts from the dealer. It's pretty cheap, so I'm gonna buy everything from the dealer, except for the lower bumper, because I mean, literally the dealer has the best parts. I mean, those are the parts being used on the cars. So I'm gonna buy everything from the dealer, and hopefully keep it under $2,000, because I need a windshield too. If you can see right here, I don't know what happened here. If you guys can see, look at that, just my luck, right? So anyhow, so I think that's about for this video. Those are the parts we need. So the second video, hopefully I'll solve this guy, the Cherokee, then that guy. Then I will have all the parts needed for this video, this build, and I'll do a video on that. So anyhow, this is Dave Pereira signing out. I'll see you guys on the part 2 Jeep Renegade build.
Well, I hope you like the video. If you want to see the rest of the build, please click the subscribe and give us a thumbs up. And of course, don't forget to click the little bells so you can notify the video that's be coming up. Well, thank you so much, and aloha.